Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some Jamaican festival. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour here that I've already sifted, and to it I'm going to add some cornmeal, sugar. I find that the granulated sugar works best, salt, baking powder, some baking spice or mixed spice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Recipe can be found in the description box below. So I'm going to go in with clean hands and clean short nails and give that a good mix. Once my ingredients are thoroughly combined, I'm going to go in with some water. Now, some persons use milk, but I find that when using milk, it makes the dough a lot more sticky and harder to work with. I'm guessing it has to do with the lactic acid that's present in the milk. Also, in my opinion, you can't really tell the difference in terms of the taste when you use the milk or the water, so I prefer to use just water. Some people like to add a little bit of vanilla extract, but I personally don't like the taste of it in my festival, so I just leave that out. I'm going to gradually add the water while I bring the dough together. And if I didn't mention it before, I'm using cool water. So if you're a complete beginner in the kitchen, or if you're not familiar with the process of making dumplings, I have a video that goes into detail. I'll link it above as well as in the description below, so you can use that as a guide. So I'm going to cover this with a clean damp towel and allow the dough to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. We want the gluten to relax so that when we fry our dumplings, they are not tough. So you leave this in a cool area of your kitchen. If your kitchen is too hot, you can store it in the bottom of your fridge, because we don't want our sugar crystals to start melting either. Our dough is finished resting, and now we're going to shape our festival dumplings. And this is very simple. All we have to do is to just roll them into a tube-like shape. Like this. And this is how they are traditionally shaped. However, if you want to get a little bit fancier, you can shape them into knots. So on a clean surface, you'd roll your dough lengthwise. And you can flour your surface to make it a little bit easier, or if your dough is sticking. And then just loop them. Like so. Remember, if your dough gets a little bit too sticky to work with, just dust a little bit of flour on your hands and the surface. I will be shallow frying these. So to my skillet, I'm going to add about a cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to let my oil heat up real slowly on medium-low heat. You want to heat up your oil to medium temperature. So we're not going to let our oil heat up too much where it starts smoking. Remember, there's sugar in the dough, so the festivals burn easily, especially since we're frying it in shallow oil. I usually fry mine on medium-low. That works best for me. I know every stove is different. You want to make sure that you keep a close eye on your festivals. As soon as they start to brown, you turn them. As I said before, they fry up in no time. So my oil is hot enough, and I'm going to turn my flame down a bit and then add my festivals. So now that these are starting to brown a bit on the edges, I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Alright, so my festivals are done. I fried them for about half a minute on each side on medium-low heat or until golden brown. So the shape of my nuts didn't come out perfectly this time around, but that's alright. And there you have it, Jamaican festival dumplings. Nice and crunchy on the outside, but soft on the inside. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it to be helpful. If you did, hit the like button, share and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. It helps the algorithm by allowing the video to trend. Join the family and help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Remember to check out the Easter recipes playlist, which this video will be a part of. And if you try any of my recipes, you're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_, and don't forget to follow me as well. Follow me on all my other socials, which are also linked down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.